In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a contract in Pandadoc. Let's start from the very beginning, opening the document you want to work on. Once you're logged into your Pandadoc account, head over to the Documents section. You'll see a list of all the documents that have been created or shared with you. Take a moment to locate the specific contract you need to edit. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of documents. When you found the right one, simply click on it to open it in the Pandadoc editor. With the document open, you're now ready to modify the content. Pandadoc is built around editable blocks, so you can work directly on the page. Click on any text block to start typing. You can update wording, fix typos, or completely rewrite sections of the contract. As you type, the changes appear instantly. If you need to update an image, click on the image block. From there, you can replace it with a new file, adjust its size, or reposition it within the layout. The same idea applies to tables. Click on a table block to edit the text inside cells, add or remove rows and columns, or adjust formatting so the contract looks clean and professional. Next, let's look at managing fields, which is especially important for contracts that require signatures or additional information from different people. On your document, you'll see fields like signature boxes and text fields. If you need to reposition any of these, you can simply drag and drop them to a new location on the page. This is helpful if you've added new paragraphs or changed the layout and want the fields to line up neatly with the relevant clauses. If you need to change who is responsible for a particular field, just click on that field to bring up the floating toolbar. From there, you can reassign the field to a different recipient, making sure the right person signs or fills out that section. This is especially useful when you're working with multiple parties in a single agreement. As you make these edits, you don't need to worry about hitting a save button. Pandadoc automatically saves your changes as you work. This auto-save feature helps protect you from losing updates if you navigate away or your browser closes unexpectedly. And that's it. By opening your document, modifying the content, managing your fields, and relying on autosave, you can quickly and confidently edit any contract in Pandadoc.